Find the best smart door lock on Amazon and AliExpress. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best smart door lock on the market. 1.
In today's world, home security is paramount, and it starts at your front door. August lets you monitor and control your door safely and securely, starting with August Doorbell Cam Pro. August Doorbell Cam lets you see and speak to guests right from your phone.
Ryan!
Max?
Yes, I can see you.
A built-in floodlight and HD color video lets you see your guests day or night.
Hey, it's me.
Sometimes uninvited guests can pay a visit. Anytime motion is detected, a floodlight is triggered and an alert is sent to your phone. And if you miss an alert, don't worry. You can play back the full story later. With August, never sacrifice convenience for security. August Smart Lock lets you and your friends securely lock and unlock the door using the August app. The more physical keys you have, the less secure your house is. Keys can be lost or stolen and then easily copied. August lets you easily create secure temporary keys for your friends, family, or people you trust right on the August app. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. Want to know who's coming and going? Activity Tracker lets you know who's coming or going 24/7, so you know when loved ones are home. And with DoorSense, you'll know your door is both closed and locked from anywhere. Never worry if you closed your door again. All August smart locks mount on the inside of your door, so the street view of your door stays the same. Our smart locks use bank-grade encryption for wireless communications, ensuring a secure lock. Make your front door more secure with August. August, the key to your smart home.
2. Three. Four.